this is Junior Hamilton with his
Rip. Your life so hard.
that was Jeremiah.
Are you kidding me? That was Josh.
Hey Jeremiah, where you broke down on Steve? Starting the board.
First match, Varsity against West High School. It is about 1:25 in the match. Oh crap.
Talk to it again.
Junior has scored 2 points and the other guy has gotten 1 point. And Junior was just like, get over here! Okay, Junior has been taken down. This is not good news. By the way, I'm hitting on women while I'm up here, Coach. I'm sorry.
USC Power Girls!
25 seconds left. Can Junior pull through for 20 seconds? Ten seconds.